Get him. Wait till he does. They always take us practice swings. Flonk. He missed! He missed it! I have it ready then, just when... Yeah, hold it straight up. Okay, round over. We gotta get out of here. Okay, ready? We're behind. Go here. Go this one.
Hey, dickhead. You guys are real cool. Over here and do that. Dang it. I don't think I'll come over there.
Buddy, you're playing golf. Oh shit! You're playing golf. You have no room to talk.
Yeah, I like your pink bag.
I like your pink bag, buddy.
You can get this kid. Get it when he keeps
Get it.
Yeah, do it.
We can do it.
Get it, Billy. Just fucking do it.
Oh, you missed him. Fuck. You didn't even take a fucking practice swing. Here we go, watch this.
What?
She's gonna go for it.